question 6. This question is actually deceptive because if you are to look at the other questions, you realize that there's a lot of work that go into it. It's a lot. You do a lot, but you get some small marks. This A goes for 10 marks, B goes for 10 marks, and this work goes into the back end. So for normal automata, what we do is that to get the number of states, you just add 1 to the length of the string from the question. So let's say they told you to do an automaton that accepts strings that contain 0, 1. So we know 0, 1 has length 2, so you just add 1 to it, n plus 1, you get 3. Now the number of states is 3, as simple as that. But here, to do that, you have to construct this chart to get the states. So you can see my decimal, that's our normal counting system, binary, reverse binary, the binary reverse form of the binary integers, the remainder, and the Q, that's the states. So to start with such a question, you just put in mind you have to do this chart to get the number of states. So the question was, A was what? You have to do construct an automaton that accepts strings that are a multiple of 5, and it should start with 1 and not 0. So thinking of multiples of 5. So okay, this is the language. The language is, so we can have 1 0 1 1 0 1 0, because you see they said multiples of 5. 1 0 1 is 5 in binary, 1 0 1 0 is 10 in binary. Do your conversion, you see there's 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. But I should start with 1. So we can have something like 0. 0 is a multiple of 5. Yes, but we don't add it because it starts with 0. So before you even do this, okay, so let's do it. So these are decimal numbers. You write 1 to 10. I added this, yes, because it's in our language. So the binary conversion, we reverse it. So 0 is the same 0, 1 is the same 1. 1 0, we reverse it to get 0 1. 1 1 is the same thing. 1 0 0, we reverse it, you get it. And our remainder, so a number is a multiple of 5 when the number mode 5 is 0. So the remainder will be 0. That's when it's a multiple of 5. And aside that, we can have situations where the number will be like, let's say you get a number like 1. 1 will have a remainder of 1 when you divide it by 5. 1 in mode 5 is the same 1. So the remainder is still 1. 2, you get remainder 2. 3, you get remainder 3. 4 divided by 5, you get remainder 4. Now 5 divided by 5, you get remainder 0. So this is to get a state. So it can be in a state of where the remainder is 0 to 4. You get it? So it keeps on wrapping around. And here you can see it's all zeros because these are all multiples of 5.